Students at Florida Gulf Coast University are learning how to take care of COVID patients now with simulators that mimic real patients.
Yes, and the university purchased 2 new simulators after the pandemic since their students weren't able to work in a hospital setting. Fox 4's Lauren Moss has more.
Where we couldn't send our students out to the local hospitals.
Hospitals that were filling with COVID patients no longer could have students in clinical settings. To make sure students were prepared, Florida Gulf Coast University invested in COVID patient simulators made by a Sarasota company that speak,
"I'm not feeling very well,"
and move like real patients.
We can expose them to a lot of other situations, even much more critical situations, and it's a safe environment to do it on the simulator.
Students in the physician assistant program are now able to return to hospitals, but still using the COVID simulators to strengthen their knowledge.
Each COVID patient can present differently, especially with all the variants coming out, and it prepares us to actually know what to expect.
And since using these patient simulators in the classroom, Hawk says it's helped build their confidence in real-world settings.
If I walked out into the real world and didn't have this practice, I think I'd be a lot more nervous. But because I have this practice, I'm confident that I can go out there and treat COVID patients.
And for students like Keisha Poland, who learn best with hands-on experience, these simulators help her retain more information than her textbooks.
When we see a different presentation and we have to react to it, it's different than just reading from a book. So it really helps sink the information in and allows you to react quickly in a real-life situation.
Reporting in Fort Myers, I'm Lauren Moss, Fox 4.
Thank you, Lauren. Now, these simulators come with a steep price tag of around $75,000 each, but it's something that the university feels will actually help elevate students' learning to later use in real-world scenarios.